Hello students, welcome back to Career Power Hyderabad powered by Adda 24/7. So students, this video is about the last minute general awareness revision tips. So as you know, from tomorrow there is SSC CGL Tier 1 examination to be conducted from August 13th till August 24th. So you know, general awareness, general studies plays a very vital role in the preparation, in the examination of Tier 1. So as you know, all the students are very aware of reasoning, quantitative aptitude and English. So many of us will score marks in aptitude, reasoning and English, but we fail in general awareness. The reason for not getting qualified into Tier 2 is your general awareness. So please students, give importance to general awareness. It plays a very vital role in qualifying for Tier 2. Okay. As you see the exam pattern of SSC CGL, so general reasoning carries 25 questions, 50 marks. General awareness carries 25 questions, 50 marks. Quantitative aptitude 25 questions, 50 marks, and English 25 questions, 50 marks. So overall 100 questions, 200 marks with the total time of 1 hour. So in 1 hour you need to answer 100 questions and a negative marking of 0.5. and a negative marking of 0.5. Okay, so this is the exam pattern for tomorrow. So all the aspirants who are appearing for the exam tomorrow, so this is the pattern. So reasoning 25 questions, quant 25 questions, English 25 questions, and finally general awareness 25 questions. So please be careful with general awareness, because most of the students fail in general awareness and they are unable to qualify for Tier 2. We are very much familiar with reasoning, aptitude and English, but we are not familiar with awareness. Always general awareness will be our last subject and it will be last minute preparation. So that is why we are failing in the examination. So for tomorrow's examination, so what do we need to do regarding general awareness? So if you see the weightage of the 25 questions, science carries maximum questions 7 to 8, polity 5 to 6, history 5 to 6, current affairs 3 to 4, geography 2 questions and economy 2 questions. So this is the weightage of the questions for general awareness. Okay, let us see subject wise. What do we need to study subject wise? Okay, for the tomorrow's examination from general awareness, please study all the important vitamins, all the diseases caused by these vitamin deficiency, and inventions and discoveries, human anatomy and plant anatomy. So for tomorrow's examination, focus on these primary topics, because from the past CHSL question paper, CGL question paper, Central Police Organization, from all the examinations conducted by SSC, MTS, from the past 1 year, past 2 years, these are the vital areas from where questions are being asked. So for general awareness, please focus on vitamins, diseases, inventions, discoveries, human anatomy and plant anatomy. Okay, so focus on these subjects. Then coming to polity, we already discussed polity carries 5 to 6 questions. Give importance to fundamental rights. By heart all the important fundamental rights. So fundamental rights, which is part 3 of the constitution, article 13 to article 35. Okay, so but focus on the articles like article 14, article 17, article 20, article 19, article 22, article 32. Focus on these type of articles. So articles are very important regarding fundamental rights. Also see fundamental duties, which is article 51A. Okay, so see all the fundamental duties also, article 51A, 11 duties, by heart all the 11 duties. And also study the union government, state government. Please focus on all the presidents. Okay, so questions related to president, powers of president, question related to prime minister, and recently cabinet was expanded, the union cabinet was expanded. So you will focus on all the new cabinet ministers. So council of ministers, in that you will have 3 types of ministers: the cabinet ministers, the ministers of state and the deputy ministers. Currently we have cabinet and ministers of state. So focus on all the new cabinet ministers, like Ministry of Tourism and Culture, G. Kishan Reddy, Ministry of Railways, Ashwini Vaishnaw. These are all the new ministers. So focus on the cabinet ministers, focus on few important ministers of state. Okay, So likewise, also see the recent constitutional amendments or constitutional amendments which are in news. Okay, so see all the total 104 constitutional amendments, see the important constitutional amendments like 42nd constitutional amendment, 44, 76, 61, likewise 99, 103, all these important constitutional amendments you need to by heart. Okay, you can see any GK book, you will have this static data, and also schedules and articles. Schedule, 12 schedules are present, study all the important 12 schedules. They'll simply ask you a question, schedule 10 refers to which of the following, or anti-defection law is which of the following schedule. Very simple question they'll ask you. And also see all the important articles, mainly focus on fundamental rights. So this will be your preparation strategy for tomorrow. And also see the newly appointed persons like Comptroller and Auditor General, Election Commissioner, Vigilance Commissioners, UPSC members, all these important Advocate General, Attorney General. So focus on all these important members, okay, important key positions of the cabinet, okay, and the central and state governments. Please give importance to these. We'll go into history portion. So history portion, focus mainly on modern history, mainly the Europeans' entry, revolts and revolutions. Like when was non-cooperation movement held? When was civil disobedience movement held? When was Quit India movement held? So likewise give importance to these movements. Give importance to the newspapers. Okay, Bengal Gazette was new. Who is the editor of Bengal Gazette? Who is the editor of Kesari? So likewise you need to see the newspapers and the owners, reforms and reformers and acts related to them. So social reformers, Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Ishwar Chandra Vidyasagar. So father of the modern India, Raja Ram Mohan Rai. Likewise they will ask you questions. So please focus on reforms and reformers and acts related to Sati Abolition Act 1829, Widow Remarriage Act 1854. Likewise they will ask you important acts, so focus on them. And also Indian National Congress. So first president A.O. Hume, first Muslim president Badruddin Tabji. So likewise sessions of Indian National Congress, important facts related to Indian National Congress. So please focus on them. And coming to ancient and medieval India, study Harappa and Vedic, static questions about Harappa and Vedic. And art and culture, give importance to art and culture. So who built the Qutub Shahi Tomb, or who built the Akbar Fort, who built the Red Fort, Lal Killa, Buland Darwaja, Alai Darwaja. Likewise they'll give you some architecture, some monument, some construction. They'll ask you who is the king who constructed these particular monuments. So focus on art and culture. Focus on the books written by the ancient writers. Okay, so Kaviraja Marga, Amukta Malyada, different types of books. Who are the authors of these books? And foreign travelers to India, Huyang Tsang, T. Tsang, Fa Hin, Marco Polo, Ibn Battuta. So different travelers. So you have a list of travelers. Focus on all the important travelers. So maximum 99% of questions will come from these topics. Also inscriptions of Ashoka, books of Ashoka, all these things you need to focus. Okay, so focus on all these topics. So next is a very important current affairs. So you need to by heart 6 months current affairs. So July, June, May, April, March, February, January. So from January till July. So Jan to July. So go from back to front. So study July, June, May, April, March, February, Jan. So study all these past 4 to 6 months current affairs. Focus on only these topics like awards, appointments, books and authors, sports, and Olympics. Recently Olympics happened in Tokyo 2020. So study all the important Olympics and the Indian medal winners. Okay, Indian medal winners, Tokyo Olympics, who are the highest medal winner countries, all these things. So do follow our current affairs videos. We have a brief discussion on all these sports events. So past June, July, August weekly current affairs, I'll give you the links in the description. So do and watch our weekly current affairs. Download our PDF from our Telegram channel. So that will be very useful for your current affairs revision. So past 3 months, August, June, July, you can find in our Telegram channel. You can find videos in our YouTube channel. So I'll give you the link in the description, all the weekly current affairs. Do follow them, it will be very helpful to you. Persons in news, important days, space and military events, and ranks and reports of India. Okay, so focus on all these items. Okay, awards, appointments, books and authors, sports, persons in news, important days, space and military events, ranks and reports. Focus on them, very important for the coming exam. So geography, hardly 2 questions, so don't struggle much. Geography is a very vast subject. Indian and world geography, very vast subject, huge subject. So focus on India and its neighbors. See all the current affairs. You will find India collaborating with its neighbors or any disputes with its neighbors. So see all the India and its neighbors. Straits, capitals and currency in news, grasslands, oceans, parliament names. So these are all the previous questions. Previously SSC have focused on all these topics. Okay, and also see the solar system. Also focus on solar system, river system in India, drainage system in India, and also passes. Lipula Pass, Jalipla Pass, Nathula Pass. Okay, so please focus on pass. La means pass. Okay, so please focus on all these topics first. India and its neighbors, straits, capital and currency, grasslands, oceans, parliament names, solar system, rivers and passes. Focus on all these subjects. When coming to economy, hardly 2 or 3 questions. So mostly it will be from budget. So budget was released in February. So Union Budget 2021-22, study the budget in detail. See all the international banks like World Bank, IMF, Asian Development Bank, Asian Infrastructure Investment Bank. Try to see all these banks. Okay, so focus on all the international banks. See about RBI. RBI's Monetary Policy Committee report. Like repo rate, reverse repo rate. Repo rate is in exam, is in previous exams. So repo rate, what is reverse repo rate, what is a marginal standing facility rate, what is CRR cash reserve ratio, what is SLR statutory liquidity ratio. See all the repo rates. Okay, so before going to exam, so please be updated with the monetary policy report. What is CRR, what is SLR, what is repo rate, what is reverse repo rate. So focus on these monetary policy. Focus on the monetary policy before going into exam. Also see what is inflation, what is the current wholesale price inflation, what is the current consumer price inflation. So focus on inflation and all the regulatory bodies like the NABARD, National Bank for Agriculture Rural Development, SEBI, Securities Exchange Board of India. SEBI established in which year? SEBI current chairman, NABARD current chairman. You are preparing for CGL, so you need to know the CBDT, Central Board of Direct Tax, Central Board of Indirect Tax and Customs. You need to focus on these bodies, very important for your examination. And also see all the 5-year plans table. Okay, see all the important key points related to 5-year plans. So please focus on all these topics for economy. So you have very short time. This time is only for revision. I hope you have studied general awareness. You have minimum knowledge on general awareness. So this video is a revision tips, last minute tip for your examination. So these are the topics you need to focus for the coming examination, that is from tomorrow till August 24. So from tomorrow 13th to August 24 we have SSC CGL Tier 1. So I hope you already downloaded your hall tickets. I hope you already prepared well for your examination. Please don't neglect general awareness, because this will decide you to enter into Tier 2, because everyone is aware of aptitude, reasoning and English. Everyone will score in aptitude, reasoning and English, but no one will score in general awareness. So those who score in general awareness, those who attain 45 plus in general awareness, definitely they will go to Tier 2. They will achieve their dream job. So all the best, students. And also please subscribe our YouTube channel, share our channel, like our videos, and also download the Career Power Hyderabad app. We provide coaching for Bank, SSC, RRB as well as for SI Constable. And do join our Telegram channel for our daily MCQs, daily current affairs MCQs, and also for important PDFs which we upload in our Telegram channel. So thank you, students. We'll meet in the next class with one more beautiful session. Thank you one and all.